The next presentation will be the one from Texas A&M University at Qatar. It will be delivered by Dr. Iyad Mas'ad. Please welcome Dr. Iyad on stage. Dr. Mas'ad is the Executive Associate Dean at Texas A&M in Qatar. He holds the rank of Professor in Mechanical Engineering program at Texas A&M at Qatar and in the Zachary Department of Civil Engineering at Texas A&M. He was the co-author of a book on pavement design and material, which has been adopted for teaching pavement courses in many universities around the world. Dr. Mas'ad is internationally known in his research, and he has published over 300 technical papers, among which more than 160 journal papers. Dr. Mas'ad.
Omar showed, in which by Rand, in which showing that you expect 10 to 12 years when you start showing engagement with the market and outcome to the market. We start also to see this. 2007, 2008, we did not see many patents applications. Now, in fact, this is one of our challenges, is to make sure that these make it to the market, because the number is going to grow exponentially. So this, our total portfolio is 47 patent applications, 46 patent disclosures additional to the applications, and 9 invention disclosures only in 2014. And we expect these to move to the market stage. So what does QNRF mean to TAMUQ? I listed several bullets here. I'm not going to go and bore you with each bullet, but what I'm going to do is I went into our research portfolio and I picked a project that shows you an example of these outcomes. You know, Texas A&M at Qatar offers engineering degrees, but we also have excellent, in addition to our excellent engineering programs, we have also excellent science program that has physics, chemistry, and mathematics, and we have also a liberal arts program that support our engineering education, and they are very active in scholarly work. So of course, Dr. Omar pointed out very well that impact is not one single parameter. It's a very complex issue. But I want to try to discretize that process and give you example of one of each. So I'm going to give an example of international recognition of our programs, how we generate knowledge, example of that, example of how we recruit top faculty through QNRF, and or using QNRF as a magnet, and then recruitment and promotion of researchers, building capacity, building infrastructure, and high impact learning experiences. Let me tell you about what I mean by high impact learning experiences. At Texas A&M University, our mother campus, College of Engineering, we have a target goal. 50% of our students have to engage in what's called high impact learning experience before they graduate. That means participating in research, go study abroad, go to a conference and present many high impact learning experiences. And how QNRF helped us to achieve, closing to achieve that goal here in our branch campus. And then, what do we mean for Qatar? One, as I said, one of our goals is to be a valued resource for the state of Qatar. What do the public gain from us being here? What does the Qatar community learn about being us? Frankly, if you go to the street and tell people, I published 300 papers this year, they will say, good luck, thank you, good for you. That's not how you measure impact on the society. So we have to be realistic about engaging with the society, and that's, we take it to the heart in our commitment here in being in Qatar. And we have a holy group, that's all what they do, is make sure that our results and engagement with the community pays off for the average person in the state of Qatar. So let me give you some examples. This is an example of being internationally recognized. On the top left there, you'll see a bar that I'll tell you what this example is about, the bullets I mentioned. So we were ranked this year by #1 in research in the MENA region. As a branch campus, this is not the ranking of Texas A&M, of course. Texas A&M ranked internationally and ranked very well in the United States, but this is the rank of our branch campus. As far as I know, this is the first ranking I'm aware of that was developed for only the Middle East, North Africa, from this knowledge. Example by one of most talented faculty members we have at Texas A&M at Qatar, Dr. Shihab Ahmed, in which he took, he's an electrical engineer, but almost a lot of his applications are in the petroleum industry. And Dr. Shihab, with his prior industrial experience and academic experience, he develops tools. Take it from lab to prototyping to market, in which he looks for tools to navigation of challenging well bores. And as a result of his work, he collaborated as a result of work from QNRF and then with RasGas company he actually established what I think is the first QFIP to advance to licensing. So this company now is housed in QSTP under Dr. Shihab Ahmed, company called MODUS, and that's what he does. He actually developed technologies for the petroleum industry. It's an established company that advanced to the licensing stage, and it's now a part of the QSTP.